Hello everyone. Today we are going to have the paper English 2 and we are going to see the first unit in this paper. Okay? The first unit in this paper is prose. We have three prose pieces in this unit. First one is Mahatma Gandhi's Mahatma Gandhi. V.S. Srinivas Shastri, who has written the text Mahatma Gandhi, is prescribed here for your syllabus. Let us see who is Srinivasa Shastri first. We are going to see the author introduction first. Valangaiman Sankara Narayana Srinivasa Shastri was born on 22nd September 1869 and died in 17 April 1946. Was an Indian politician, administrator, educator, orator, and Indian independence activist. He was acclaimed for his oratory and command over the English language. Srinivasa Sastry was born to a poor temple priest in the village of Valangaiman near Kumbakonam, India. He completed his education at Kumbakonam and worked as a school teacher and later headmaster in Triplicane, Madras. Srinivasa Sastry served as a member of the Madras Legislative Council from 1913 to 1916, Imperial Legislative Council of India from 1916 to 1919, and the Council of State from 1920 to 1925. These are all served by Srinivasa Shastri. Okay. Shastri also functioned as India's delegate to the League of Nations as member of the Privy Council of the United Kingdom and agent to the Union of South Africa. Shastri gained worldwide fame for his prose in the English language. He was a close follower of Gopala Krishna Gokhale. He was also a close friend and associate of Mahatma Gandhi, who addressed Shastri as his elder brother in writings. Shastri was made a Companion of Honor in 1930. In 1921, the freedom of the City of London was conferred on him, and in 1931 he received the freedom of the City of Edinburgh. However, some members of the Indian freedom struggle, such as Nehru, felt that Shastri was too sympathetic to the British rulers and too cooperative with them. This was especially apparent at the Round Table conferences where Shastri and his party member agreed to the unfair proposals of the British. Srinivas Shastri established the Madras Teachers Guild during his term as headmaster of Triplicane High School. He was one of the pioneers of the cooperative movement and started India's first cooperative society, the Triplicane Urban Cooperative Society (TUCS) in 1904. We can see here that Shastri and mm, uh, Gandhi were lived in the same period, but they they have some different kinds of opinions they have. Shastri met Indian independence activist Gopalakrishna Gokhale for the first time in 1906. He was drawn towards Gokhale's Servants of India Society and joined the organization, becoming its president in 1915. He joined the Indian National Congress in 1908 and became the secretary of the Madras District Congress Committee in 1911. As a member of the Congress, he was instrumental in the bringing about a pact between the Congress and the Muslim League. Shastri was nominated to the Madras Legislative Council in 1913 and to the Imperial Legislative Council of India in 1960. He opposed the Rowlatt Act, which empowered the Government of India to imprison anyone without trial, and delivered a well-appreciated speech in the Imperial Legislative Council denouncing the bill. You might have heard about the Rowlatt Act, a very famous one, and Shastri has played a major role in that act too. In 1919, he was appointed a member of the Privy Council of the United Kingdom. In 1922, Shastri resigned his membership of the Indian National Congress after disagreeing with its leadership on the issue of non-cooperation, and established the Indian Liberal Party along with Taj Bahadur Shapro. He consequently served as a president of the Indian Liberal Federation. In 1924, he accompanied Anne Besant on a visit to England demanding Home Rule for India. He also participated in the first and second roundtable conferences during his tenure in the Servants of India Society. Sastry developed a close attachment with Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi often addressed Shastri as his elder brother in all their correspondences because they lived in the same era. They were very close in all their participation towards nation, but they have difference of opinions with each other. However, despite their friendship during his tenure as president, Srinivasa Sastry opposed Gandhi's presence in the Servants of India Society. When Gandhi sought Sastri's advice before launching his non-cooperation movement, he counseled him against it. In his later years, Shastri certainly advised Mahatma Gandhi against accepting the Muslim League demand for partition, that is, the partition of Pakistan and India. Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Gandhi had made the partition, but it was opposed by them also. Srinivas Sastry corrected mistakes in the manuscript of The Story of My Experiments with Truth, the English translation of Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography, and also successor issues of the magazine Harijan that was edited by Mahatma Gandhi. On Sastri's death, Gandhi paid a tribute to Sastry in a condolence message in the Harijan. So, till we have seen in this lesson, the first lesson, we have seen the the unity of Sastri and Mahatma Gandhi. Though they have different opinions, though they lived in same era, they have different opinions. They have uh, different thoughts, ideas against their uh, British rule, but they work together for the upliftment of India. Their only motive is to become a freedom fighters, and they they have got independence to India through their act. Next lesson is Mother Teresa.